Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy, and my goal here is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. Today we're going to go over the tones for the song Here Comes Heaven by Elevation Worship. For the cover video on this one, I use a dual amp setup on my HX Stomp with the Super Reverb on one side and an AC30 Fawn on the other. And I just love the way these two amps pair together. The Super Reverb is a little bit more mid-forward, a little bit of a fuller sounding amp. And then the AC30 Fawn has that sparkly top end. And the breakup on it is just real sweet. But the way that we're playing this song, we're all playing mostly single notes, and so it stays pretty clean. You can dig in. If you use this preset for something else, it'll definitely serve. I used the pedal board on that one, and I had the compression dialed back a little bit more than normal. And then I had the carbon always on, and I had the drive, the gain on that one below noon. I think it might have been like around 9:30. And then I kicked on the ODR-1 for the lead boost on the bridge section there near the end. The Jet, Revelation, and Eternity covered all the ambient effects. I love those pedals. They sounded great. They always do. And so the signal chain on the Stomp is the effects loop with those two pedals in it, and then a noise gate to block the hiss that comes off of that loop. And then we're going into those two amps, each with their own cab, and then a simple EQ at the end to bump the holy mid-range as well as the low gain and the high gain. The signal chain for the HX Stomp is the Deluxe Comp into the Diana drive. And that one's set with a low gain, but a little bit goes a long way on that one. So it's doing everything we need it to do. Then we're going into the KWB drive. From there into the transistor tape delay, the dynamic hall reverb, and then we're going into an AC30 Fawn. And so I was able to get some of the fullness that the pairing had from the Super Reverb by just bumping the cut a little bit. It just gave it a little bit more kind of mid density. And then we're going into a dual 2x12 Bluebell cab. I've got one side mic'd up with the Dynamic 7, one with the Dynamic 57, and then the simple EQ at the end to bump the holy mid-range, as well as a bit of low gain and high gain. The signal chain on the Helix is similar with the Deluxe Comp into the Diana drive, into the KWB drive, then we're going into the volume pedal. From there into the stereo transistor tape delay, the dynamic hall reverb, and then 2 amps. And they have the same settings, but they're mic'd up with their own cabs. And then one has the Dynamic 7, and one is mic'd up with the Dynamic 57. And then the simple EQ at the end to bump the holy mid-range. If you did want the dual amp setup for the HX Stomp, you're also going to get the song-specific preset. So you can't necessarily put it together, but you could mix and match and kind of swap things around if you like. And then if you pick up the dual amp setup for the Helix, you're going to get it dialed in for the song. And then we only needed 3 snapshots for this one. So there's 5 more snapshots with a bunch of other versatile tones. And for that one, the signal chain's a little bit different. We have the same drive section, then we go into the volume pedal. And then I added a reverse delay. And that comes on for a wash and a swell tone. It just adds a nice movement kind of underneath the ambience on that. And then the transistor tape delay. And then I put in I think an optical trim. Let me check that. The harmonic tremolo. We only needed 3 snapshots for this song, and so that gave us 5 more snapshots to play with. And I just put a few different options to use that harmonic trim. We've got it clean. I've got it with a drive. It's part of a wash, and it's just a fun one to play. I'll be running through the preset with the. I'll be running through both presets on the Helix, and I'm going to use the Custom Deluxe, the Gretsch, and then that Les Paul Custom. All right, let's hear it. found this one helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. If you'd like the resources for this song, you'll find them at a link in the description box below. There are a handful of downloads free for you in there as well. All right, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.